I order online, I take it out, I give you my take. This is my take on Takeout.
Something to buy, da ba da bug, yeah. Da ba da bum ba buy, da ba buy, da ba buy, yeah. Set the potato, da buy, da. Boy, yeah. Sunlight.
I'm going to Wicked Sisters. Wicked Sisters. I'm going to Wicked Sisters for some takeout. For some takeout. Some Wicked Sisters takeout. Wicked Sisters takeout. Wicked Sisters takeout. Look at here. Look at here. I ordered everything on the menu. Well, all the vegan stuff that I could find on the menu. They're vegan friendly. So let's jump into this and see what Wicked Sisters has to offer. So course number one was that butternut squash soup. It's hot. It's delicious. It's really delicious. They put the pecans on the side. Go ahead and sprinkle those in like this to give it a little more texture. The earthiness of the apple and the butternut squash is very earthy but clean and delicious, and light but soupy and comforting. In every slurp or spoonful, you get some of the pecan. You taste the richness of the squash, the light sweetness of the apple. It's phenomenal. That's good. Course number two, flash fried sweet and spicy Brussels sprouts. These Brussels sprouts look beautiful. They smell beautiful. I bet you they taste beautiful. So, you can see how crispy these are, right? Crispy. The outer layers are really flaky and crispy, but they're tender all the way through and through. Cooking Brussels sprouts is an art and a science. Can't everybody do it? Let's just call it what it is. Everybody ain't good with Brussels sprouts. So you go to some places and Brussels sprouts tastes like you eating cement rocks. Not here. Not at Wicked Sisters. Right there. Have mercy. You know you want one. You know you need one. Call them up. Order some Brussels sprouts to go. Curbside pickup. Do what you need to do. So I will be one of those people who can't cook Brussels sprouts. Who would have thought a grown man would get so excited over some Brussels sprouts? Don't judge me. Don't. I see people walking by. They're like, he's eating Brussels sprouts. I'm jealous. What's next? Course number three would be the spicy mushroom bites. Spicy mushroom bites. That's what I call good looking food. That's what I call good smelling food. Let's see what these crispy mushroom bites are all about. Oh, mushroom bites. Yeah. Can't really tell from one. Let me have another. I have a verdict. Damn, these are good. How the hell you cook mushrooms like this? How the hell you cook mushrooms like this? My bad. Sorry. How the hell you cook mushrooms like this? They're perfectly fried. So they're not overcooked, they're not undercooked. They're perfectly cooked. These are perfectly crispy. They're light and crispy, but they melt in your mouth. Wicked Sisters, you just wicked. You cooking some wicked good food. You are putting some wicked good food in people's bellies. I appreciate you. See you. Right there. You right there. You see him. I could eat this every day. I could eat that soup every day. I could eat those Brussels sprouts every day. And I damn sure could eat those mushrooms every day. I'm going to tell everybody I know to get thee to Wicked Sisters. Get yourself some Wicked Sisters wicked food. The food is wicked at Wicked Sisters. You get it? You get the gist, the point? All right, we out.